How to log out on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out on Twitter. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now for you to log out from Twitter account, first thing is to open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter guys, at the top left corner here, click on your profile picture. Then go ahead and click on settings and support. Again, click on settings and privacy. Under this settings and privacy, it will bring you to this page. Just click on your account, then click on account information. You can see all the information under this account information. The last option there is logout. Click on logout, then a message will pop up. Logging out will remove all Twitter data from this device. If you want to log out, just go ahead and click on logout. That is how to log out from Twitter account. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.